Everybody, welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the video. Yeah, the original. This is number 1265. We've got such a good expression, and to be honest, this expression is very common for kids. Oh, but we can use it as adults too, especially to our friends or to my wife, or she could use it to me or to our children. Absolutely, this is a great expression. It is scaredy-cat, scaredy-cat. I think you might understand, but let's check out a dialogue first. There's a spider in the bathroom. Kill it. It's huge. Don't be a scaredy cat. Go check it out. I will. Ah! I was watching a video on Instagram. Nowadays, there's nothing like a jet tube holiday. Have you seen this series of very funny stuff? And I think it was a family was on vacation in Australia, and they're, driving around the outback, beautiful area, and somehow a massive spider got in the car. It was huge. I hate spiders. Little spiders, I don't care, whatever. But big, meaty spiders, like you could put a fork in it, like a meatball. Oh God, it was horrible. So I made this dialogue. It's gotta be a woman. It doesn't have to be, but I made it a woman. There's a spider in the bathroom. My wife will say this, yeah. At my house, I have two responsibilities. Number one, clean, and number two, kill. That's what I have to do in my house. I have to clean the toilets, clean the toys, the children up, stuff like that. Clean, and kill. If there's a spider, I gotta kill it. If there's a fly, I gotta kill it. These are my jobs. So this is what my wife would say. There's a spider in the bathroom. Kill it. Come on, wife, be strong. Kill it. It's huge. Huge spiders are, ugh. Don't be a scaredy cat. And here's our expression. And I think you understand what it means. You know a cat. Do you have a cat? I got 3 cats right now. And if my cat is not here, but if my cat were sleeping, like right here, sleeping right here, and I did this, the cat would jump up. My cats, and I think most cats, easily get scared so fast. They immediately, they get really, really scared. And sometimes we do too. You and me, we can get scared really fast. A scaredy cat, right? So, I remember one time I was at a restaurant, and I was drinking my coffee, and the waiter that didn't have a cover on it, and the waiter, I asked the waiter for some more coffee, and the waiter took my cup, and then the waiter gave me the cup back, and I was like, whoa! Oh. It was empty. I was a scaredy cat. I got too scared, too fast. I overreacted. The scaredy cat. Don't be a scaredy cat. My wife says, go check it out. I will. It's a great expression, scaredy cat. Who can you use this expression to? Think about it. If you're a guy, if you're married, can you use it to your wife? When can you use it to your wife? To your kids, when can you use it to your kids? Ladies, when could you use it to your husband, to your children, to somebody? Use the expression. It's a fun expression. It's fun. Don't be a scaredy cat. Be tough, be strong, be brave. Don't be a scaredy cat. You guys should study English with me. How is your English speaking? Is your pronunciation nice and great? If it's not, do you sometimes get embarrassed? Like, oh my God, my pronunciation is not good. Don't be a scaredy cat. Study with us. We will help you. That's our job, to make you a great English speaker. If you're interested then I recommend that you go to my community, skool.com/LME. Skool.com/LME. We have listening classes and speaking classes, and we always have a special. So join our community and then just leave a message. Hey, I'm new to the community. Is there a special offer on a speaking class right now? And I will give you one. Even if there isn't, I'm the boss. I have the power. I'll give you one. All right? All right, check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English. There's a spider in the bathroom. Kill it. It's huge. Don't be a scaredy-cat. Go check it out. I will. Ah! There's a spider in the bathroom. Kill it. It's huge. Don't be a scaredy-cat. Go check it out. I will.